One day, what happened?
Bad wolf.
Big Bad Wolf, what did he do? Came to the first pig's house and what did he do?
Half.
And he
Boy.
puffed
Half.
and he
Blue.
his house
Half.
down.
Half.
And then he went, the big bad
Wolf.
went to the little
You.
pig's house and what did he do?
Half.
And he
Boy.
blew the
House. And
down. And then he went to the third pig and then the big bad,
wolf.
what did he do?
Half.
And he
Blue.
blew the house
Five.
down. And then the pigs, what? What happened to the pigs?
Half.
Huff.
Busy wolf.
Big Bad Wolf.